let's say I wanted to solve the quantity 5x plus 1 all squared minus 2 equals 79. Okay? So first things first, I've got some stuff squared, right? That's right here. So I want everything else to the other side. So what do I need to do to get that 2 on the other side? Maybe add 2 to both sides? Okay, so if I add 2 to both sides, I think I've got 5x plus 1 squared is 81, right? And now the square is the next thing I'm going to have to deal with. One way you can think about that is this should be happening in the backwards way from order of operations. So if you thought about putting an x in this side, the first thing you'd do to it is multiply by 5, then you'd add 1, then you'd square that business, then you'd subtract 2. So notice I'm doing unsubtract 2, add 2 first. Now I'm going to unsquare things. Okay, plus or minus square root. That's going to give me 5x plus 1 is plus or minus square root of 81, 9. Plus or minus 9. And now I'm going to unadd 1. So I'll get 5x is plus or minus 9 plus 1. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I'll get x is plus or minus 9 minus 1 over 5. Right? And then I'm going to split that into its two pieces. Right? So on the plus piece and on the minus piece. So the plus piece, I get 9 minus 1 is 8 over 5. And on the minus piece, I get what? Minus 10 over 5 is minus 2. Boom. Done. Cool? So you might want to spend a second here and go back and think about, if I order of operations, put an x in here, what are the steps I would do? And then notice that you're backing out of those steps in the reverse order. See that? Cool.